Hi, welcome back, HPM 641 students. We are now in week 5. This is the first housekeeping video for week 5. So welcome back. This week we're going to continue our discussion on motivations, okay? And we're going to talk more about process theories of motivation. And also in relation to motivation, we are interested in understanding how people attribute, how people actually explain behavior, right? So we are going to actually also talk about some attribution theory, okay? And so these two topics are actually very useful and interesting, as I said last time, because now, this course has a strong component of trying to help you become a leader in health organizations. And as the leader of a health organizations, you want to know your employees, and you want to know maybe also yourself, and how to motivate the staff as a whole to do well towards a particular organizational goal. So this is a very interesting topic. Okay, so we're going to we're going to talk about this again today, and I also want you to start thinking about this more from the perspective as a leader, right? Because later on in this class, we are going to have an assignment about leadership. Okay, we're going to assess your own leadership your own leadership style, and also maybe how you are going to exercise some of your leadership skills. Okay, so start thinking yourself as a leader in your health organization. Now, the other thing, about the course rundown, we are supposed to have a quiz this week because we have bi-weekly quiz, right? So I think I'm still going to have a quiz, but I'm going to change the style this time. So instead of giving you a multiple choice, which is a relatively easy multiple choice quiz last time, this time I want to give you a case study, okay? So you're going to maybe comment on the case study, which is, I think you can find it in your textbook. I'm not sure, but it's definitely related to what you've learned from the textbook so far. And, you just work on that, it will be something about motivation, or maybe earlier chapters about perception, diversity, and so on. But I think doing some case study is also useful. Okay, so that's another thing. And speaking of the quiz, although I listed them as biweekly quiz, I recognize now that we are in a very difficult situation because of the COVID-19, and many of the classes now become online, and there's a certain newness, okay, and a very new challenge for us. So for this bi-weekly quiz, I'm not going to strictly follow the bi-weekly schedule, meaning that I may reduce some of this quiz. Okay, I'm thinking, instead of having as many of 7-8 quizzes, because if we do it bi-weekly, we might have that. We might have maybe 4 quizzes or something. Okay, so some of the quiz you might not necessarily have some of the quiz that originally you will have a quiz. Now I am going to just take it away. Okay, so we're going to reduce the quiz. I want to help. Okay, I don't want you to be too stressed out, and actually, if you do, let me know. We should try to find help. Okay, don't be too stressed out. Okay, I know that we're all in a difficult time. If you need any help, just let me know. Okay, and otherwise, I think we're good. You should still expect that we will do other assignments. Later on we have a midterm exam. At the end of the semester, we're going to have a final exam. And also a presentation, the last day of the class, which I think again is November, I don't know exactly, November 20, let me make sure if I remember correctly. I believe it's November 24, yes. November 24 will be our last day of class, and that day we're going to do presentation. And you are actually required to record a video like this. So you should have seen enough examples by then, and maybe just produce a short videos, and be prepared that the video will be shown kind of publicly among us, okay? So that everyone can, learn something about perhaps your leadership style, about, what you've learned from this class and so on, okay? So this is like, just a little bit of like, preview about what we're going to do next. And otherwise, we're going to have a break now. And after the break, I will continue to talk about the process theories of motivation and also attribution theory. We might have as many as 3 additional videos this week, because I want to, I don't want, us to slow down too much. I mean, again, if we have to, we can slow down, but I think now is still a good time early in the semester to go, to sort of really catch up with the schedule, okay, as much as we can. Okay, I will talk to you very soon again. See you a little bit.